Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the PDFs you will convert and identifying which are scanned images versus digital text. Once done, choose an OCR engine that fits accuracy and budget. Tesseract for open source, Abby or Adobe for higher accuracy, or a cloud API for scale. Make sure to set your desired output format now. Searchable PDF for reading, plain text for processing, or PDF/A for long-term archiving. This prevents backtracking later and lets you set resolution and language options before processing. You next preprocess each file to improve recognition. Deskew rotated pages, remove speckle noise, boost contrast, and normalize to about 300 dpi. Once preprocessing is done, configure OCR settings, choose language, enable layout analysis for columns and tables, and select output type. Then run OCR in batches using a script, command line tool, or GUI batch queue so you can monitor logs. Make sure to spot check pages early to confirm your preprocessing, helped, and tweak settings before converting the end. You finish by validating the output. Search within PDFs, try selecting text, and inspect table and layout fidelity. Once satisfied, export or save the final searchable PDFs or plain text files, and if needed, produce PDF/A versions for archiving. If text errors persist, reprocess only the problematic pages with stronger preprocessing, different language packs, or an alternate OCR engine. This targeted approach saves time. Finally, make sure to keep a log of settings used so you can reproduce or audit the conversion later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.